Hey everyone, it's Robin, R Silent Crafts, and welcome to my studio. We are on Advent Day number 11. I wonder what this is. I got so excited I almost opened it before guessing. Snowman wrapping paper, because everyone is the same, so that's really fun. I always like the idea of when, after my kids had grown up and you start watching YouTube videos and stuff, and parents would have one wrapping paper for each child and they'd all be separate. And I like the way that looked for photos, but I also like total chaos where the kids don't know which presents are theirs and they have to kind of do that mad dash underneath. My kids, they weren't too bad. They didn't do the mad dash, and they did like to separate it. The presents were a mess underneath the tree. Then my kids would separate, I think my daughter mostly would separate them to her two brothers and herself, and then they would take turns opening. They were much more organized than I was. Now when we were kids, we were just sitting in piles of wrapping paper, which was kind of crazy because I told you my grandmother liked us to save the wrapping paper and open them neatly. But that didn't stop us from still having wrapping paper everywhere. So this is fabric. I wonder if it has wrapping paper on the fabric. Have you guys seen fabric like that? More red fabric for my Christmas quilt. This has gold stars on it. I do not have this fabric in my stash. My friend is doing amazing. Even when she duplicated fabric I already have, she purchased fabric that I absolutely love and need more of, or that I've already run out of. And then all of the extra fabrics that I don't have. Hey, look, Robin, they're the same on both sides. I wonder what I sent my friend today. For Friends Advent Day 11, I have two pieces of fun fabric, some with some birdhouses, and then I like this fabric. It has these different flower designs on it and stuff. I'm not a big fan of the paisley, but I like the way this flower is designed. Or I should say I like the way this fabric is designed. I hope you like that, my friend. I picked it out just for you, or I shared it just for you. You guys have been very generous with me over the years. Each year, some of you will send me things that you received in Advent calendars the previous year that don't work for you, and you know that I'm doing the Friends Advent, so you send them for me to keep for myself, and if it doesn't work for me, you say that I can go ahead and pass it on to my friend. So that works out really well because we both collect different kinds of fabrics and little items. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.